Wanted to stop and show some people that maybe haven't done this before what I was weaseling out behind the door panel. And a lot of the new trucks, cars, use a cable to attach your door handle instead of rods. And the plastic part here has got a couple little clips that are built in, and you've got to get those released when they're just inside of here. You can use different tools, picks, things like that, to kind of get in there. I get one of them released, and then once you get one, you can kind of usually get to the other one. It's pretty easy. But the trick is just don't put too much tension on it while you're doing it, and take your time, kind of think through it. Maybe a curved pick actually are really good, and or some little tiny seal tools are what I typically use. But that is one area that's probably going to be a pain in the butt for some people. Alright, so real quick before we finish up, I had to do the same thing on the passenger side. So heat up the plastic, make sure you heat up the underside that's actually built into the panel, heat up your top side that's holding the clip on, and once it's all kind of melted and you know, pretty malleable, I just press that Sharpie head into that. And again, kind of a good hold for 1 or 2 times of removing it maybe, but the advantage here is it's done and ready to go back on. This side actually had super glue holding it on, not tape like the other side, and I did clean that off real well, because if anybody out there has ever had super glue vapors from heating it up in your eyes, you know it hurts pretty bad. So let's go ahead and finish this thing up. We went on ahead today and replaced both window motors on this truck, 2008 Silverado extended cab. It actually is my truck. We're going to keep trying to do this, kind of give little, quick videos that give basic things, and then we'll maybe one day get into a little bit more diagnostic stuff too. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it.